Exercise 1, Standard 11, Set or Set Theory. Question number 15. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. So N of H is equal to 25. 26 read newspaper T. So N of T is equal to 26. 26 read newspaper I. So N of I is equal to 26. 9 read both H and I. So N of H intersection I is equal to 9. 11 read both H and T. So N of H intersection T is equal to 11. 8 read both T and I. So N of T intersection I is equal to 8. 3 read all 3 newspaper. So N of H intersection T intersection I is equal to 3. Find the number of people who read at least one. At least one means what? Union. H of N of H union T union I. That is a question mark. The number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Exactly one newspaper means only H, only T and only I. Exactly one. Okay, this question we can solve by two methods. One is what? Applying formula, and another is through Venn diagram. So first I will solve with the help of Venn diagram. This is what universal set H. This set is H. This set is T. People reading newspaper H, people reading newspaper T, people reading newspaper I. So in Venn diagram, the method is like this: always start from the common portion. What is the common portion? The people reading all the newspaper, that is 3. So here you write down 3. So this 3 means what? H is also coming under, T is also coming, and I. So these 3 people are there which are using or reading newspaper H also, T also, and I also. Then you see N of T intersection I. T intersection I. So this overall is T intersection I. See, this portion is T intersection I. Means people reading what? Newspaper T also and I also. So here it is not mentioned that 8 are reading only T and I. So out of T and I, those who are reading T and I, they may be reading what? H also. So here 8 minus 3, total is 8. And out of 8, some may be reading newspaper H also. So 8 minus 3, 5. Then H intersection T, 11. H intersection T, 11. 11 minus 3, here you same concept, same reason. 11 minus 3, 8. Okay. Then 9. Here it is 9. So 9 minus 3, here it will be 6. I hope you all are following. Okay. Then I, 26. I, total is 26. So out of 26, you minus 6, that is 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. Again I'll check. 26 minus 6, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. Okay, done. Then T is 26. Again 26 minus 5, 21. 21 minus 3, 20. 18. 18 minus 8, 10. The total should be how much? 26. Let us calculate. 10 plus 8, 18 plus 3, 20, 26. Correct. Here also total should be 26. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 5, 26. Correct. N of H is equal to 25. So 25 minus 5, 20. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 minus 8. 19 minus 8, 11. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, 8. The total should be how much? 25. Let us calculate. 8 to the 16. 16 plus 6. 22 plus 3, 25. It is correct. Now total is 60. Total is how many? 60. We want to find out H union. First question is H union T union I. Okay, outside also we'll see. Total is 60 or what? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Plus 3, 25. Plus 5, 30. 40. 52. So outside should be how much? 8. 60. Total should be how much? 60. Let us calculate again. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 35. 35 plus 3. 35 plus 38. 38 and 38 and 6. 44. 44 and 8. 52. 52 and 8, 60. Yes, it is correct. Now, what is the question? H union T union I. So, what is your answer? Total is 60. 60 minus 8, 52. So, first answer is how much? 52. The union. Union means total of this, which is coming under the region. Then H exactly one news. Exactly one newspaper means H alone, T T alone and I alone. So what is their total? 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So second answer is 30 are there. Those who are reading exactly one newspaper. 12 plus 8, 20 plus. Okay, correct. Now next, in a survey it was found that 21 people like product A, so N of A is equal to 21. 26 like product B, so N of B is equal to 26. And 29 liked product C, so N of C is equal to 29. If 14 people like product A and B, so N of A intersection B is equal to 14. 12 people like product C and A, so N of C intersection is equal to 12. 14 people like product B and C, so N of B intersection is equal to 14. And 8 like all the three products, so N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 8. Find how many like product C only. C only means A dash intersection B dash intersection C. This also we can solve by two methods. One is what? Applying formula, and another is Venn diagram. I will solve with the help of Venn diagram. That will be easier. So here I am writing what? A, product B, and product C. So when we solve through Venn diagram, always start from the common portion. What is the common portion here? 8. 8 people like product A, B, C all. Okay. Then B and C 14. So B and C total is 14. But out of those, some may be liking product A also. So 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 will be how much? 6. Then C and A 12. C and A 12. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 4. Then A and B 14. A and B 14. 14 minus 8. Again what? 6. Then C is 29. So C is 29. This so total should be 29. So 29 minus 8, 21. 21 minus 10, 11. 26. 26 means 26 minus 6, 20. 20 minus 8, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 21 like product A. So 21. 21 minus 10, 21 minus 10, 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Okay, let us see the total also. 11 plus 10, 21 plus 8, 29, yes, C 29, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 8, 26, yes, correct. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 3, 21, it is correct. Okay, now what is the question? Only C. So only C means which region, which, how many? 11. So answer is 11. Number of people reading exactly newspaper C, that is what? 11. So that you can write on this one only. So answer is 11.